This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Parker. This exquisite 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, built in 2021, blends contemporary design with premium finishes. The moment you enter, you'll be captivated by the spacious open floor plan, which seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, offering an inviting atmosphere for both relaxation and entertaining. The kitchen, the heart of the home, features stunning granite countertops that create a striking point, paired with soft close cabinets that offer convenience and ample storage space for all your culinary needs. This home features a versatile bonus space, whether it's a home office, playroom, or fitness area, can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. Step outside into the fenced backyard, offering a private and safe outdoor oasis. Whether you're enjoying a peaceful morning, hosting a barbecue, or letting pets run freely, welcome to your new home. December 18, 2024. For more information, review the details below.